I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Confirm your Serenitea pot is unlocked and you have at least one realm currency. Once done, open the pot and choose the realm you want to change from. This is where you select the specific realm layout. Make sure to remove or store any fragile furnishings that may conflict with the new template. You're doing this now so the realm swap won't delete desired items. Proceed when inventory is tidy and your currency count shows the required amount. You now move into the middle steps. In the Serenitea interface, open Realm Settings and pick Change Realm. Preview the template. This shows how current objects will reattach or be stored. You need that to avoid losing placements. Once the layout matches your plan, confirm the currency cost and any cooldown timers. Remember, if several furniture pieces conflict, the system stores them in your inventory. Therefore, make sure you have enough bag space before confirming to prevent overflow or unintended delete. You finish by confirming the change and watching the transition through. Don't close the menu mid-animation. Once the realm loads, inspect each area and retrieve any stored furniture from your inventory or the storage panel, then replace items as needed. If something looks off, log out and back in to refresh the realm data. This often resolves visual sync issues. If items are truly missing, double-check inventory space and the storage tab before contacting support, because most missing items are just stored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.